Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're new here, my name is Terisha. I'm a wife and settled mama of two, and on this channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation, homemaking, all things motherhood related. And today's video I will be tackling the bedroom and the kitchen, so tons of cleaning motivation for you guys. So I hope you stick around to the end and watch. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing, leave me a like and a comment. I love to chat with you guys, and I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to play some music and let y'all enjoy this cleaning motivation. Y'all can prop me up on the TV and clean along with me, or if you just enjoy watching cleaning videos like I do, and just sit down, relax with your favorite drink and watch me, maybe popcorn. I don't know what y'all do, but yeah. So guys, I just want to hop on back here to tell you that subscribing to my channel is totally free. It only takes seconds, guys, only seconds, and it just allows you to know whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. You'll be the first to be notified. I upload videos twice a week on Saturdays and Tuesdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the same time every week. Here I have I have a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. Her birthday was last week, so she just turned 1, yay. And that part right there is for my 1-year-old, because my 4-year-old already been potty trained. She was potty trained at 15 months old, so at 15 months she had completely stopped wearing Pampers, and I'm trying to do the same thing for little mama. So I started her 2 months later than I did my first. So I started my first at 8 months old. I started potty training at 8 months old, and I started potty training my little one at 10 months old. They both took to the pot like real fast. So hopefully she'll be out of diapers by the time she's 15 months. I want to get her completely out of diapers, and that includes pull-ups by the time she's 15 months. She's doing so good already, guys. During the nighttime she like holds her pee for like 6-7 hours without wetting the diaper at all. But I'm still gonna allow her to wear it just because she is still a baby. Like, she just turned 1, so I'm not gonna take her completely out of diapers yet. But right now I'm just rambling. But yeah, that's my old plan, my old goal, and it worked for my first daughter, and I'm just going to do the same for her. But it doesn't hurt. I mean, anybody who says you can potty train kids that early, that's a lie. I've proven it to be a lie, because as I said, it worked for my first and it's working for my second. So it's never too early to start training them. Now guys, let's tackle the kitchen. I just have some dishes to wash, some stuff to put away that we got from the store, and I guess that's it. I got, you guys have seen this before in other videos, but I also picked up this, what's it, paper towels or So guys, I have tons of content coming up for you guys this summer. I have tons of house project doing. I already started doing them. I just need to get the videos together and edit them and upload them before our vacation. Yeah, we have vacation coming up. I think we're going at the beginning of August. So I have tons of stuff to do. I want to get some videos ready for you guys that way, because I won't be filming while I'm away on vacation. So I definitely want to get some videos up for you guys while we're away, that so I can keep my upload going. But yeah, I have tons of post project doing, tons of new stuff. So excited, and I can't wait for the house to just come together. As we bought this juicer from Amazon. I don't know why we bought it, because we recently just bought a new BlendJet portable blender, so I don't even think we're going to end up using that thing, but oh well. We wanted a handheld juicer to juice oranges and watermelon and stuff for Celia, just to give her natural juices. But I haven't used it yet, and I really need to start using it, because at this point we're just wasting money, just buying random stuff that we don't even have space to put. But So guys, we're about to come to the end of the video. If you make it this far, I want to thank you so much for sticking with me and rocking with your girl. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and like this video. It helps my channel out a lot and let YouTube know that you're watching it, so that they can introduce it and put it out to more people. So once again guys, thank you, have a blessed week, and I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all.